broadcast with some breaking news. Sources are telling Times Now that Prime Minister Narendra Modi chose to delay his departure from Delhi airport this afternoon to avoid causing any inconvenience to students who were travelling for the NEET re-examination. Now remember, the exam has been underway since 2 in the afternoon. Sources are saying that Prime Minister landed in Delhi at around 1:15 in the afternoon, and that was the time when thousands of NEET aspirants in the capital were making their way to examination centres, with the examination that was to start at 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock was when the exam started. So the Prime Minister back then decided to remain at the airport instead of immediately proceeding to his residence. This was a move that was aimed at ensuring that security arrangements for his convoy did not impact student movement. My colleague Pragya is with us, getting us the latest. Pragya, a gesture for the students, especially those who are giving the re-examination today, by the Prime Minister, who chose to stay back at the airport for almost an hour to ensure that any kind of convoy movement does not disrupt the security arrangements. This was the gesture. What more information can you share with our viewers?
Well, Prime Minister landed here in Delhi airport at around 1:15 p.m. But he also knew that there is also NEET examination and students would want to reach on time, and they should not face any sort of inconvenience because of the route that Prime Minister entourage will have while he reaches his residence. There are many centers, NEET centers also in the surrounding areas. Therefore, he decided to stay back in the hotel till 2, and only after 2 p.m. he left for his residence. This also shows, the very sensitive side of Prime Minister, knowing the, the harassment that the students have faced, due to previous leak, and also the fact that they are retaking this examination. This is also a sort of, the fatherly nature and concern of Prime Minister that he had shown for the NEET students as well. This is how sensitive he is as far as students and youngsters are concerned in the country. And this gesture is not just, this could have gone unnoticed, but there are many people in the airport also who observed that, and the security also stayed back for almost 45 minutes. This shows that Prime Minister is very concerned. And remember, when there was a leak and preparations for a re-examination of NEET as well, Prime Minister supervised the preparation himself. And in fact, he has preparedness for that. He has also told Mr. Rajnath Singh, Defence Minister, to supervise all of the preparedness. And this is exactly the reason why the intervention of Prime Minister has ensured that there is no leak, there is a lot of transparency. Students generally did not face any sort of inconvenience, and the fact is that they are retaking NEET examination, and till now not much of the inconvenience has been faced by students. Is also a fact that Prime Minister himself...
4:05, Pragya, by 5:15 the students will be out of the examination hall. The Prime Minister, as per the information that you have, is understood to have left the airport only after 2 p.m. once the examination had commenced. Now, we have some more information coming in. One NEET aspirant, we believe, has, in a heartening gesture, the Education Minister personally spoke to the parents of an injured NEET aspirant. Now, this aspirant is Shrishti Dubey. The student was recovering from a serious road accident that left her with multiple fractures and also lung injuries. And following the intervention, special arrangements were made for her examination, including a special room, medical support staff, and also standby ambulance at the center. The family of the student thanked both the NTA and the Education Minister for ensuring that the student's determination to appear for the re-exam is not hindered by her medical condition. Going back once again to my colleague Kritika, who's with us. But before that, let's actually play out that sequence of that moment when the Education Minister spoke to the family of the student who was injured in the road accident and the arrangements that were made for her later.
डॉक्टर सर अच्छा है, चला था सर, कह सकते हैं उन्होंने कहा, हमने तो क्विट करे, हमें लगा था नहीं देना, उन्होंने बोला था नहीं। तो डॉक्टर ने हिम्मत दिलवाया कि भाई ये परीक्षा दे सकते हैं, और हमने तो छोड़ दिया था, उन्होंने बोला कि नहीं आप लोग एप्लीकेशन डालिए, हम लास्ट मिनट चेक नहीं करेंगे, बच्चा देने लायक रहेगा दिलवाएंगे एग्जाम। इवन वो हमारे साथ सेंटर तक भी आए थे बच्ची का हौसला बढ़ाने के लिए। और डॉक्टर भी आए हैं साथ में? हाँ, वो हमारे साथ आए थे एकदम। अच्छा, वो देख के चले गए।
शुरू करिए चले
नहीं पूरे एम्बुलेंस से करते हैं सारे नर्सिंग स्टाफ सब लोग बहुत बहुत हॉस्पिटल में भी काफी अच्छा सहयोग रहा सर और
चलो,
मदद
चलो।
कहने से लाइक बस आप लोगों का सब आशीर्वाद है देखिए
चलो बेटिया डॉक्टर बनी जाएगी, चिंता ना करो।
बस आप लोगों का आशीर्वाद ऐसे ही
ये
रहे
दुबे जी क्या करते हैं? दुबे जी को फोन दो थोड़ा।
दुबे जी एक टीचर है सर उनसे बात कीजिए हाँ सर
हाँ दुबे जी, आप कहाँ शिक्षक हो, कहाँ टीचर हो?
हम वेस्ट बंगाल जनता हाई स्कूल में प्राइमरी में हेड टीचर है
तो आप बंगाल सरकार की नौकरी करते हो?
जी 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 जी
तो बढ़िया, अभी बंगाल में तो नई सरकार आई है, बढ़िया होगा अभी तो। बढ़िया खुश रहिए दुबे जी, कभी मिलेंगे, मैं कलकत्ता आऊंगा तो मैं बुलाऊंगा आपको। हाँ बेटिया डॉक्टर बन जाए पहले।
जी जी सर बस आपको का आशीर्वाद है सर
ठीक है, नमस्कार।
नमस्कार
Kritika, my colleague, is with us. Kritika, you know, the government right now is sending out a message of assurance, has been trying very hard to let parents and students know that they stand with them. They're sensitive towards them. And, you know, this episode that happened with the education minister himself, calling the parents of one injured student is one incident which, you know, the government through which is trying to highlight sensitivity. But the questions do remain. Today, the re-exam has happened because of allegations of leak. The kind of security arrangements that were put in place today were to ensure that there is no margin whatsoever for error. Tell us about this particular student and also take us through the arrangements and what has happened through the day when it comes to the re-exam.
Sagrika, so this is the case of student Shrishti Dubey. She's from Kolkata, and she was also now currently is writing, in fact, her NEET exam, but had met with a major traffic accident on the 14th of June, which had left her with injuries in her lungs and even 9 of her lungs broken. So what her parents have currently written to Education Minister, as we also heard in that conversation, was about how if there is medical support on standby and if she's allowed to be in her hospital dress along with the tubes that will be attached, she will still be able to write her exam. So even despite this very tragic accident, the student was willing to write the exam, and that is how the parents also got in touch with the Education Minister himself, requesting, in fact, the adequate assistance such as a room on the ground floor, a separate room also, and an ambulance standby. And we're currently seeing the Education Minister has, in fact, heeded to those requests, has also said that he would like to meet the parent also in the days to come, as he's also an employee of the West Bengal government as a teacher, in fact, and he's wishing the best of luck, in fact, to the students as well.
Right. So the student, special arrangements were made. The student was determined to give the exam, and these arrangements were made to ensure that her medical condition because of an accident does not become an impediment. Thank you so much, Kritika. Like we've been